Hi, it's Ant. Welcome to the channel. The weather's a bit pants outside. Anyway, just thought I'd give you an update on another invention I've put together. I've been working on this for a few months now and secured it with the actual design through the design IPO for the government site. But anyway, the product's called OilBib. I'll put a logo up in a minute and a website. I've been in the trade, a massive petrol head. Done a lot of oil changes, a lot of filter removal, and got a Subaru at the moment I've had for years, UK 300. Changing the oil, removing the filters, we've all done it. And as we kind of remove the filter, the oil goes everywhere. Normally, as slow as you want to, the moment you turn the filter, we all know, it runs down the filter, it's everywhere. So I came up with this solution here. I'm just going to go through it with you. Right, what I've come up with is two products here. One is for vertical mount oil filters. The other is for side mount filters. So basically what you do is a filter off is a Nissan. I think this is a Nissan Qashqai filter. So basically you'll slip the ring on to the filter housing when it's on the horizontal side of the block. And as you can see, as you turn it, the oil will go down into that receiver there, into the bottle, and that's it basically. Nice and simple. The other one, sorry, doing this one-handed. The other one slips over the filter. This is going on my Subaru, this one. So you're turning it, and that's a vertical mount on the Subaru. So you slip that on, 3D printed in TPU, and the oil runs down the filter, not over your hands because of the two skins, inner skin and outer skin. You can see how it works. I've got a video coming of it actually in one of my friend's garages when he's doing an oil change. So simple product. I've done 3 different sizes. This one, for an example, is for Porsche 911 filter, which is huge. I think it's 93mm in diameter. This is a smaller type filter there, 73, and that's 63 to 68. So it's got a chamfer, and basically it'll fit on most filter housings. So there's 3 different types in the kit. This is for DIYers, garages, industry where you've got filters on machines, and you know, oils. It's all very well using brake cleaner and squirting everywhere, but that costs a fortune. So it just reduces that, really reduces the mess. I know we're all on a time scale in the job, so you know, you get given allocated a time, and there are, you know, we all know there's like gadgets out there to put oil underneath, but just reducing that oil coming down the filter, going all over you, makes a big difference. Has a little market, this, especially for industry, where there be certain criteria where you can't have the oil spilling everywhere, especially in food industries, or you know, you might have an oil filter that's not for engine oil, but it might be another oil filter. So hope you like it. Nice simple product I came up with. I was in a trade. I did an apprenticeship when I was young, so I've done many filters, and it's just quickly, there's 2 different sizes, and there can be a 3rd size to this as well, but there's 2 main sizes for this particular adapter, because really there are just, especially the motor trade, I mean, most filters now are paper elements in a unit, and these side mount ones are really for the older models, 2014 backwards really. Everything after that has gone paper filters. Again, they could be a bit troublesome getting out, but this is mainly for these metal can type filters. So it's oilbib.com. I put a basic site up for now. I'm just working on a bigger, better site. So I hope you like it. It's something different, isn't it? Thanks very much for coming on the channel and having a look. I've got some other things coming on the channel as well soon. Thanks again.